In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to fix Facebook Reels not loading. If Facebook Reels shows black screen, loading spinner, no sound, or Reels unavailable, follow these fixes in order. Our first solution is check your internet connection. So Reels need strong internet. You can switch between Wi-Fi and cellular. So must use a strong internet connection and then go to your Reels tab and check the issue. And the second solution is restart your Facebook app. So this will fix temporary glitches, often stop Reels. So just close your Facebook app from your background, relaunch the Facebook app, go to Reels tab, and then go ahead and check the issue. Next solution, clear your Facebook cache files. From your app library, find out the Facebook app and long press on Facebook. Tap on this info button. In here, scroll down and tap on storage. Tap on clear cache. Then close your Facebook app from background, relaunch the Facebook app, go to Reels tab and check the issue. And the next solution is update your Facebook app. Go to your Play Store, search for Facebook. If you see any update available, then update the Facebook app. Then go back to your Facebook, go to Reels tab and check the problem. And the next solution is if autoplay is turned off, Reels may not load. So we have to turn on autoplay. Just go to your Facebook, tap on this hamburger menu and tap on settings. Under settings, scroll down and under preferences section, tap on media. Under autoplay in feed and stories, here you have to select on mobile data and Wi-Fi. This will turn on Reels autoplay. Now go ahead and check the issue. If you're still having the same problem, in this case, you have to completely uninstall the Facebook app and then you have to reinstall it. So that's how you can just go ahead and fix this Reels not working or loading problem on Facebook. Thanks for watching.